Hey. Not this again. Okay. My name is Peter Parker. I got bit by a burnt chicken nugget leg. I've been Spider-Man for 10 years. It's crazy. Do I look cool in this shot?
With great power comes great responsibility.
I did this. Fell in love. I got to punch a car for some reason. I do the same jack shit every day. I have fresh moves. I'm on a comic book, I'm on cereal, and we don't talk about the last one. I have a sick theme song. I have this monstrosity. I get caught in all kind of pain situations, but without me, New York wouldn't have the sexiest hero. No matter how hard my job is, I always get back up. I'm the most sexiest man in New York. I mean, come on. Just like my wink.